Hello friends and potential friends. Well, here we go again. Yesterday got up to 87 degrees according to my weather station. And tomorrow morning it's going to be close to freezing. Roller coaster keeps on rolling. This time, looks like we're going to have 3 or 4 days down near freezing, which could be worse because the rest of the country is frozen solid. Heck, even over southern Louisiana where my friend Peanut lives, it's got like 35 degrees. In fact, yesterday it was colder there than it was at my mom's place in Idaho. So, time to get out the sheets. I'll be taking this tower apart again and putting the tomatoes and peppers in the house. And I think I'm going to harvest a few of those first. There are several of them that are ripe. And then in the back I'm going to be putting the sheets up again. Probably leaving them for at least the next 3 or 4 days. So we'll see how that works out. But I thought I'd come out and take a look beforehand. Hopefully they'll make it through another cold spell. And back here in the back, well, it looks about the same as it did the last time. Brassicas are still growing. The cabbage collards are growing pretty good. They can handle the cold. Amazingly, the peppers are still alive, though they're not producing anything anymore. And I just might be eating a strawberry soon. Carrots are shaping up nicely. And this is the Mishahili Asian cabbage. And those are all little teeny tiny seed pods. I might actually get some seeds out of this, although I don't know why, because they seem to go to seed as soon as they start growing. I don't seem to get much to eat out of those. Oh, these Roman tomatoes do have some little tiny tomatoes growing in there. And they still have more blossoms on them. But they're going to be going under the sheets here pretty soon. Uh-oh. The Paris Island lettuce is starting to bolt. That's not a real good sign. Broccoli down here. Don't see much coming along there. And there's some more seed pods. Those are on the pak choy. And more carrots. I've been checking, some of these are starting to get some size on them. But they're not quite ready to go yet. And over here, I can report that I've got potatoes starting to sprout. There's one there. And over there and out there. Over here. They're just barely above the soil, so they should be okay. In the big tomato bed, I added some more tomato cages in here, mainly just to hold up the sheets. Don't have a lot of fruit. There are some Romas down here. Hard to see them, but they are in there. Nothing turning yet. And the Praxis, yep, I got Praxis cherry tomatoes all over the place in here. But again, none of these are turning yet. The ones out on the front porch are doing pretty good. And incidentally, I did pick a couple of those that were growing in the lab. They finally ripened up for me. But these ones back here don't get quite as much sunlight. So they're taking their sweet time about ripening. They do have some nice size on them though. So overall, things are looking pretty good. Hopefully next weekend, when I'll probably be taking the sheets back off, they'll still be looking good. But for now, oh, nice and sunny. It's about 75 degrees, and it's supposed to be dropping today. But it's already warmer than they had predicted it. So maybe the front slowed down a little bit. But in any case, 35 degrees tomorrow morning would not be good for a lot of these tomatoes. So I'm going to go get the sheets and start covering things up again. Well, there we are, wrapped up and ready to try to survive the cold. Hopefully they can handle it again. And wind's starting to pick up coming out of the north. So temperature should start dropping here any minute. And I'll see y'all next time. Hopefully with good news.